In the previous video, we saw how India and US have their own pros and cons of staying. In this video, we're going to look at the benefits of staying in India. Being a developing country, India has a lot of unique issues that require indigenous solutions. That, combined with an increasing digital penetration, has resulted in the creation of multiple different convenience apps. Be it groceries, healthcare, home renovation, education, booking a cab, garbage collection, payments, personal care, or whatever you can think of, there's probably an app out there that you can use to get your work done quickly and within budget. The other day, I wanted to have a childhood favorite, a potato sandwich, and I was able to get the sandwich maker delivered within 10 minutes. Now coming to the medical facilities. Medical facilities in the US are top-notch, but there's a catch. If you don't have a good health insurance, you can be wiped out financially overnight. This was one of the biggest fears I had when I first moved to the US. Additionally, you might have to wait for several days or even weeks before you can get to a specialist. In India, finding a doctor is easy. Online appointments with the doctor and home delivery of medicines make it super convenient to get medical attention when you need it. Also, the total cost of treatment is far more affordable here. However, the hospitals are pretty crowded and appointments could feel rushed. Now, lifestyle is a tricky one. US definitely has far superior infrastructure with well-maintained roads, parks, public schools, etc. There's also relatively lower pollution and better hygiene standards compared to India. Additionally, basics like electricity, gas, and even a car are much cheaper in the US. However, the cost of living is much lower in India, which means you can afford things like a bigger house, house help, and childcare. Tech hubs like Bangalore and Gurgaon also have a lot of societies with in-house facilities such as gyms, parks, sports complexes, swimming pools, etc., which sort of make up for the lack of public amenities. Combining that with the convenience apps and the health facilities I talked about earlier, the quality of life for a tech professional in India is still pretty good. Being close to loved ones. I've missed several personal events and been unable to meet with family and friends for years at a stretch while I was working in Seattle. Additionally, not being able to reach elderly parents in times of need was another thing that bothered me. This is another reason why I prefer to stay in India. As you can see, there are pros and cons of staying in either city. It all boils down to your priorities. Seattle will always be close to my heart, but right now, Bangalore is where I need to be. There are several other factors like the local culture, food, and professional culture that you might be interested in. Let me know what you thought about these points and if there are other criteria that you use to make a decision about where to stay. Also, if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content.